friends, and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. But in this video I won't paint on clothes. I will paint on my phone case because it is kind of screaming at me. Shame on you, Daria! You create such amazing designs on clothes, on hats, on bags, and you're using such ugly, covered in paint stains phone case. Shame on you! Yeah, shame on me. And since it is a trend to customize phone cases, I saw a lot of YouTubers, artists who customized their phone cases. It is the right time for me to do it. So maybe I will gain some new viewers, new subscribers. If you are new here, hi! So, let's do it! And first I'm gonna degrease a phone case using cologne and cotton pad. And it was dirty. Eee. And here is sketch of design along with some other sketches, now mind them. I'm gonna paint Pegasus, one of my favorite creatures. And first I'm gonna sketch Pegasus on phone case, and I'm gonna use white color acrylic paint. Yes, I'm gonna use acrylics. For painting on clothes I use fabric paints, but for painting on phone case I'm gonna use acrylics. And for the background I'm gonna mix blue and red colors to create purple color, and I want to create a gradient, purple to light blue. Upper part and the lower part of phone case will be light blue color. And also I decided to use a purple color of fabric paint because it's more vivid than color I created mixing blue and red colors. And now I'm gonna use black color. I'm gonna mix it with white to create gray color, and with this gray color I'm gonna paint shadows on Pegasus. And to paint Pegasus I'm gonna use just white, gray, a bit blue, a bit purple colors, and that's all. Design, as always, will have an idea. I always try to create something meaningful, and this time I want to create magical design, and you will understand later the idea of it. And you know, guys, I've never watched videos of other YouTubers' phone cases customization, so I don't know what people paint on their phone cases. And if you watched such videos, let me know about their designs in comparing with my design. I'm just wondering. And now I want to create shine around this window for camera, and I'm gonna use a yellow, a bit red and golden colors. First I outline. And now I diffuse paint to create shining effect, and I use a dry brush technique, is when your brush is so dry and just small amount of paint on it. And now it's time to paint the corners. And now I'm gonna add writing to make the idea clear. The idea of the design is that phone is something magical actually, just think about it. For example, I make all my videos using my phone and I'm able to reach people all over the world with this little device. So yeah, it's definitely magical. It's magic in your hands. And now I'm gonna use hard brush to create paint splashes to add a bit more magic. And painting is finished. You know guys, I don't follow most of the trends on YouTube because I don't like them. But this trend was very useful because finally I have a phone case which artists like me should have, which I deserve. But I don't know how I'm gonna use it. I mean, I often just throw my phone in my bag with keys and other stuff. So maybe I will damage it easily, maybe paint will peel off, I don't know. But I'm gonna varnish it later and I will let you know about the future of this phone case on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, follow me. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art, phone cases is art. Bye bye.